you, I'm Dee and this is Not For Your Thought. Welcome to the first episode of YouTube Success Unlocked series. This series holds your hand from starting your own channel to turning it into a successful one. You have to go through all the short videos in the series without skipping to ensure success. If you believe you can be successful, comment I can so I know how many of you are hustlers. Subscribe if you haven't already. So let's look at my screen here. I have not signed in order to create a channel. I will need to sign in with my Gmail and password. So you know that part. Let's just skip right ahead. This is how it would look once you are signed in. I will click on this little circle in the top right corner. You'll see a menu below. Create a channel is where we will click on to create a channel of our own. So you can choose the name of your choice. I'm just adding XYZ just for an example. You can upload a picture. If you don't want to do it right now, you can do it later and just create a channel. But make sure you choose your name wisely because you cannot change the name of your channel. So once your channel is created, you can upload your profile, the picture. Just let's call it a picture. So your picture can be updated by going into customize channel. When you go into the customize thing, you will see a lot of options here. I would advise you to just go crazy and discover things on your own. It's always nice to know things by yourself. So I'll be only giving you the important stuff. Now if I click on the X or my profile picture, if I had any, I will be taken to the custom settings as well. So here we are, channel customization, and I can see here I can upload my profile picture, the banner image and the video watermark. You can upload your image here. It's like your Facebook profile picture. Banner image is like your Facebook cover, and video watermark. That's a different thing. I'll tell you a little bit about video watermark. What it does is if your viewers are watching your video, it mostly appears on the computer screen. They see the watermark in the right bottom corner. If they click on it, they get an option to subscribe to your channel. So I would advise you to keep that on for the entire video. So that anytime even if by mistake they click on it, it's good for us. So just publish that change. This is an existing channel right now. So that setting is done for you. You have updated your everything. Now you see these tiny icons for social media. This is where they're taken to your personal social media accounts or official social media accounts. I mean, it's always nice to have your options open for exposure. Let's show you how to do that. Click on basic info. If you scroll down, you will see I have already added my website, my Facebook link, and my Instagram link. You can also add or delete these social media links whenever you want. I'll show you how to add another one. So just click on add item, add the name of whatever social media network that you're entering. So we're adding one for Twitter, and I will just copy paste my link for Twitter and simply click on publish. You're done. These are the settings. So we'll just go back to the channel and see if the Twitter that we added, if it appears on our profile. So there it is. That's Twitter. Not my subscriber yet? Why? You shy? Subscribe already. And hit that like button if this was helpful. My name is Dee. This is Not For Your Thought. I love you and I'll see you in the next one.